Lee Summit West girls lacrosse team took on their rivals, the Lee Summit Tigers, at home. The girls started out strong with their steals, blocks, and scores against the other team. With 2 seconds left in the first half, senior Mary Moore scored another goal, helping the Titans keep the lead 5-2. Senior Liz Black tells us how it takes more than a stick and a ball to hold the team together.
Coach Chris has kicked our butt in conditioning, so I think we're really conditioned. Passes are stronger, ground balls are crazy right now.
But with every strength you have a weakness falling close behind.
Some passes don't get caught, some goals don't get scored, and we're always striving to be the best.
What's unexpected about this game is that the Titan coaches now used to coach the Tigers themselves.
Coach Chris is our conditioning coach, and then Coach Brian Cox, he actually was their head coach, and so we kind of stole him from them. He's such an awesome addition to the Titan family.
With winning of a score 7-4, Black is excited to keep the lacrosse streak going.
Well, our first goal was to beat Lee Summit, so we just achieved our goal. So I really hope that we have a winning season, and I know there's going to be a couple losses, but I feel it in our blood.
This is Stacia Anderson reporting for Titan Television.